Welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, your trusted place to learn smart, simple, and profitable ways to trade online. In today's video, I'm sharing a super easy but highly effective binary options strategy that works amazingly well. And the best part? It only uses two powerful indicators, Williams %R and Stochastic Oscillator. No confusing tools, no complicated setups, just clear signals, simple rules, and fast results. Whether you're just starting out or already experienced in binary trading, you're going to love how easy this strategy is to follow and how quickly you can start practicing it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how this strategy works, the best settings for both indicators, and a live trading session where we apply it step by step. But before we begin, here's an important risk warning. Binary options trading involves financial risk. There's no guarantee of profits, and you may lose money. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only use funds you can afford to lose. If you like clear strategies like this, make sure to subscribe, tap the like button, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our free trading tips. All right, ready to learn something powerful? Let's jump in and break down how this simple two-indicator strategy can help you spot quick buy and sell trades, with real-time examples at the end. Let's get started. When to place a buy trade. Williams %R crosses above the green line. That means price is moving out of the oversold zone. Stochastic Oscillator. The blue line crosses above the 20% line, orange line, a strong sign of upward momentum. These two signals together mean the price is likely to go up. So it's time to buy. When to place a sell trade. Williams %R crosses below the red line, showing that the market is entering the overbought zone. Stochastic Oscillator. The blue line crosses below the orange line, a sign of downward momentum. These conditions mean the price may fall, so you can confidently sell. Set your chart time frame to 30 seconds. Set your trade expiry to 1 minute. This gives fast signals and quick results, ideal for short-term binary options trading. But wait, here's an important pro tip for better results. Don't just rely on signals alone. Always check support and resistance zones, candle patterns that match the trend, and skip trades that go against the overall market direction. Being smart with analysis helps you avoid false signals and improves your win rate big time. Also, stick to currency pairs with high payout percentages. They change throughout the day, so keep checking and switch when needed to get the most profit. And of course, practice on a demo account first. It's the safest way to get used to the signals before using real money. Now that you know the rules, let's put this strategy into action with some live trading examples. Stay with me, because this is where the real magic happens. All right, traders, let's take a closer look at this setup. According to our strategy, this is a perfect sell trade setup. First, we see that the Williams %R has just crossed below the red line, a sign that the market is exiting the overbought zone. Next, the Stochastic Oscillator's blue line is crossing below the orange line, confirming downward pressure. With both indicators showing a potential drop, this is our cue to place a sell trade. The trade is active now, so let's wait patiently and see how it performs. This part is always exciting. While we wait, here's a quick tip. Always stay calm during the trade. Whether it's a win or loss, the key is to follow the rules and stay consistent with your strategy. And remember, it's not about winning every single trade, but about making good decisions over time. That's how successful traders grow. And there we go, a successful trade just as expected. Our indicators gave a strong signal, we followed it with discipline, and the result speaks for itself. Let's move on and look for our next trading opportunity using the same powerful setup. Once again, according to our strategy, this is a perfect sell trade opportunity. The Williams %R has crossed below the red line, showing the market is leaving the overbought zone, and the Stochastic Oscillator confirms it. The blue line is crossing below the orange line, signaling downward momentum. This double confirmation tells us that the price may drop soon, so we've taken a sell trade right at the signal. Now let's sit tight and wait for the trade to finish. While we wait, keep this in mind. Successful trading isn't just about taking trades, it's about waiting for the right moment, following your rules, and staying patient. That's what separates smart traders from emotional ones. And if you ever feel unsure, it's always better to skip the trade than to force it. Quality over quantity. That's the mindset we need. And yes, another winning trade using our simple strategy. The indicators worked beautifully again, giving us a clear and confident signal. Now, let's quickly go over the indicator settings so you can set them up correctly on your chart and start practicing this strategy on your own. Williams %R indicator settings. Set the period to 7. This setting helps the indicator respond faster to price movements, giving you early entry signals while still filtering out unnecessary noise. Stochastic Oscillator settings. K:7. D:4. Smoothing. 3. Moving average. Type. Exponential. These settings make the stochastic oscillator more responsive and accurate for short time frames, which is perfect for our 30-second chart and 1-minute expiry setup. Once you've applied these settings, your chart will be ready to spot perfect buy and sell setups just like we did. Let's continue and see if we can catch one more perfect trade to wrap up today's session. And here we go again. Another trade setup is on the screen. According to our strategy, this is a perfect buy trade opportunity. The Williams %R has just crossed above the red line, showing that the price is moving out of the oversold zone. And right after that, the blue line of the stochastic oscillator crosses above the orange line, which confirms upward momentum. When both of these signals align like this, it's a strong indication that the price is likely to go up. And that's exactly why we've entered a buy trade here. The trade is now live, so let's wait and see how this one plays out. And while we wait, here's something to keep in mind. It's not just about taking signals, it's about trusting the process. This strategy works best when you follow it step by step, without skipping any rules or rushing into trades. Even one strong signal isn't enough. We only trade when both indicators agree, and that's what gives this method such good accuracy. Another winning trade. That's the power of trading with a clear, rule-based strategy. No guesswork, no stress, just smart and disciplined trading. And that's a wrap for today's session, traders. We've seen how this two-indicator strategy using Williams %R and stochastic oscillator can give clear and powerful signals for quick buy and sell trades. You saw multiple live setups, you learned the exact indicator settings, and you watched this strategy in action with real results. But remember, no strategy is 100% perfect. Practice it well on a demo account first. Stick to the rules, avoid overtrading, and always analyze the market conditions before placing a trade. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you may have. And hey, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on new strategies, live sessions, and trading tips. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Sam Trading Strategies. Until next time, trade smart, stay disciplined, and take care.